Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talking about how to speak English. English कैसे बोले. Lots of people confuse that how to speak this language. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So friend, I am asking you one question that how you learn your native language. Okay, and if you know that how you learn your native language, so you also learn English, because your native language is also language and English is also language. If you seem like a language, so this language is not difficult for you. Why? Because if you learn like a subject, okay, if you read so many English book and then you think that I am speak this language, so how you speak this language? First of all, understand that reading so many books, it's not solution and it's not good way to speak this language. Okay, so what are you doing in this English journey? Okay, if you do good strategy and if you going to uh, right, if you follow right rules, so this journey easy for you. So first of all, what are you doing? Do practice as much as you can. Yes, you heard it right, practice is very important. Okay, we listen so many people that listening is important. Yes, listening is important, but practice is also very important. Why I am giving you this advice? Because while learning this language, if you cross some level, like you speak, you learn this language like 5 months, 6 months, then we forget practice, because we think that I'm speaking this language, so there is no need to do practice. But it's a misconception. Where while learning this language, if you learn this language like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and then after you break your consistency, so you forget so many things. Why? Because there is no environment in your area, no one speak this language, you only give effort to learn this language, and if you not do practice, if you not speak with someone, so how you remember word? Why? So you got it. Then if you like do practice every single day, so you get fluency in this language. And in my case also, till now I am doing practice. If I don't have much time, but I do practice. Like if I work, I have so many work, so I do like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, but I'm doing practice, because I know very well that if I'm not doing practice, so I am feel like I don't remember uh, word in this language and I'm not learn anything. And if you do practice, so you feel motivated at this, that I'm doing something in this language. Okay, so for yourself you do practice for your happiness. Okay, because if you do some kind of work, any kind of work, and you forget sometimes, so you feel uneasy. At the time you not understand that why I'm feeling like this, but you break your consistency, that's why you are not doing something you do. So your practice is very important. My main motto is that you speak this language. My advice to you guys, that practice every single day, because in this language, if we not do practice, so you know that what happened, our journey is stopped and we feel demotivated. That's why I'm telling you. So many people I'm listen that they told me that we are reading very well, but when time to speak this language, we are not able to speak this language.